aerial yoga has successfully transitioned from a niche studio novelty to a cornerstone of the modern home wellness routine. In this episode, we will look at best aerial yoga hammocks for beginners.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Zelus Yoga Hammock. The Zelus Yoga Hammock is widely regarded as the ultimate training wheels for the aerial world, offering a design that feels more like an extension of your body than a separate piece of equipment. Unlike minimalist silks, the Zelus model features 3 distinct sets of anti-slip foam handles that provide a secure anchor point for those who aren't yet confident in their grip strength. Constructed from premium, high-density nylon fabric, it boasts a weight capacity exceeding 400 pounds, ensuring a stable platform for deep stretches and inversions alike. The kit is particularly attractive for the home practitioner because it arrives as a comprehensive setup, including adjustable daisy chains and a ceiling mounting kit that simplifies the often intimidating installation process. Its tactile, slightly textured fabric reduces the sliding sensation that can startle beginners, making it an excellent choice for anyone focused on building the foundational strength required for more advanced maneuvers. On number 2, we have Heralthymodelife Pink Active Yoga Hammock. For the beginner who wants to bypass handles and jump straight into the world of traditional aerial silks, the Heralthymodelife Pink Active Yoga Hammock offers a refined and luxurious alternative. No extra hardware or complicated setup required. This aerial yoga swing arrives ready to hang and use. The included daisy chain makes installation quick and easy on beams, sturdy branches, or solid pipes. Ceiling mount hardware not included. Crafted from premium, soft-touch fabric, the swing offers the ideal stretch needed for smooth, comfortable transitions between poses. You'll immediately feel the difference compared to stiff parachute silk. This elastic material is essential for proper aerial movement and support. Authentic aerial yoga doesn't need handles. They're unnecessary, distracting, and take away from correct practice. This swing is designed by experienced yogis who know what truly works, so you get the right equipment from the start. New to aerial yoga? No problem. This swing is suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. Relax safely during meditation, explore gentle movement, and enjoy the benefits of inversion therapy with confidence and comfort. On number 3, we have Yes for All Yoga Hammock. This yoga hammock is a powerhouse of versatility, designed for the beginner who wants maximum fabric and high security. Measuring a generous 5.5 yards in length, it provides significantly more material than standard entry-level swings, allowing for a wider variety of cocooning and fully supported horizontal poses. This extra length is especially beneficial for those with high ceilings or those who want a more professional look in their practice space. The material is a specialized high-strength fabric that supports up to 660 pounds, making it one of the most robust consumer-grade hammocks available. This high weight rating provides a vital safety buffer for the dynamic forces generated during the swinging and dropping motions that beginners eventually master. The kit includes heavy-duty carabiners and multi-loop daisy chains, ensuring that height adjustments are intuitive and quick. Its balanced stretch and impressive durability make it a reliable workhorse for those dedicated to a daily practice. So these are some of the best hammocks to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.